Ah, at last I've reached the city. But alas, I've forgotten to carry a few things. I have to go to the supermarket. Come along.
At the supermarket.
A supermarket is a place where you can buy things like household articles, provisions, and stationeries.
Trolley. A trolley is wheeled carriage that is used to transport or carry the goods and commodities from one place to other within the supermarket. Cash register.
A cash register is used to enter the cash receipts involved in business transactions.
CD stand. A stand which allows you to organize the compact discs is called a CD stand. Cashier.
A cashier is a person who collects the cash and keeps an account of all the cash paid for the goods purchased.
Carry bag. A bag that holds the things that are purchased in a supermarket. Oil can.
An oil can contains oil.
Rice bag. A rice bag that contains rice in it. It is usually made up of jute. Shopping basket.
A shopping basket is a basket that you use to carry the goods and commodities that you buy from a shopping mall or a market.
Customer. A customer is a person who buys the goods and commodities from the market. Chocolate box.
A chocolate box is a box which contains chocolates of different kinds. They are often seen in the markets and kids love them.
Credit card machine. A credit card machine is an instrument that is used to swipe the credit cards when the customers pay for the commodities purchased using the credit card instead of money.
Salesman. Salesmen guide us in the supermarket. They keep a watch on the activities on the floor and help people in buying products. Weighing scale. A weighing scale is used to know the exact weight of an object. Cold storage. The cold storage is a refrigerated room or storage place where generally food items are kept for a long duration. Price tag. Price tag is a small piece of hard paper or plastic on which the price and other details of an item are noted. Notice board. Notice board is used for leaving common messages for staff or customers.
I forgot my mom's birthday. I just have to send her a greeting card. There's a post office over there. Come, let's go there. I'll just send her a greeting card from there.
At the post office.
A place of work that is endorsed by a postal system that handles the mails. The major tasks in the post office include posting, delivery, receiving, and sorting of mails.
Postal van. A mode of transportation used by the postal system for delivery and receipt of mails and parcels. Mailbox.
A box where you can drop your mails to be sent to a particular destination through the postal system.
Postman. An employee of the postal service who delivers mails and parcels to different destinations. Envelope.
A cover or a wrapper, usually made of paper, in which you can place your letters to be posted. It is good to paste the opening of the envelope.
Stamp. A stamp that is used in the postal service is called the postage stamp. It is a small rectangular or square-shaped paper to be stuck on a mail to show that the fee is prepaid. Postal seal.
A stamp that is rendered by the postal service representing the legal significance. A seal is stamped on every mail or parcel.
Postal card. This is also referred as a postcard. It is thick paper or a thin cardboard intended for writing and mailing without an envelope.
Money order form. When we want to send money from one place to another, we use a money order facility. To make a money order, we have to fill up and submit this form. Postmaster. The postmaster is the chief of the post office. All the work in the post office is done under his guidance. Speed post. This is the postal service to deliver letters or a parcel. This service ensures that the delivery is done in 24 hours. Telegraph machine. A telegraph is an electronic instrument used for wireless communication. Acknowledgement receipt. This is the receipt attached to the registered parcels or letters. The recipient signs this receipt so that we can ensure that the delivery is done to the right person.
There's a great amusement park in the city. Let's go and enjoy there. Giant wheel, cable car, kids train. So exciting, isn't it?
Amusement park.
An amusement park is an entertainment spot where you have rides, shows, and attractions that are created for people's recreation.
Giant wheel. This is also known as Ferris wheel. It is a big upright wheel with the passenger seats suspended from the edge. Passengers go on a jolly circular ride sitting on the seats. Train rides.
Amusement parks consist of colorful battery-driven toy trains that are in different shapes. Children love taking a ride on these trains.
Ropeway. Ropeway is also called a cable car. This is a very thrilling ride where a rope is tied horizontally at a great height and small car-shaped passenger seats are suspended to them. Tickets.
You buy the tickets at the ticket counter in the entrance, which is authorized by the amusement park authorities to enter the park and to participate in any ride in a theme park.
Kids Pool. Kids Pool is a small swimming pool where the kids play and swim in the water. The water in the kids pool is shallow and not very deep. Magic Show.
A magic show is a show in the amusement park where you find a magician performing magical activities and entertaining the children and adults.
Dashing Car. A car which is driven using the support from the electric grid is a dashing car. When you drive this car, it sometimes bumps into the other car which is nearby. Sea Dragon.
A sea dragon is an artificially created huge toy dragon which plunges out from the sea. This is a good source of entertainment but sometimes frightens the kids too.
Food Mall. The food mall is the place where a number of small or big food stalls are present. There is a common sitting arrangement done for eating. Park Attendant. The park attendant is the person who takes care of the park activities. He looks after the park as well as visitors. Video games. Video games are very popular amongst kids. Kids, take care while playing them continuously. They can damage your eyes. Fun stall. There are many stalls in the amusement park. We get different fun items or we can play different funny games at the fun stall. Jumping floor. Jumping floor has powerful springs attached to it. We can jump easily and high on this floor. Kids love jumping on this floor.
I have an aquarium at home. I just love fishes. They are so colorful and active. What? You don't have one? No problem. I'll take you to an aquarium.
At the aquarium.
An area or a container that is usually used to keep varieties of colorful fish.
Fish Tank. A tank that is filled with water and is used to keep varieties of live fish. Goldfish.
A small fish that is most commonly kept in the aquarium. It has a brassy or an orange coloring with a shiny texture.
Clownfish. This is also known as clown anemone fish. It is cute little fish with orange and white stripes. Black goldfish.
A little fish seen in many aquariums and is black in color.
Zebra fish. This is also known as zebra danio and is a popular aquarium fish that has black and white stripes like a zebra. Starfish.
This is also known as sea star. It is a sea creature that has a star shape and is often seen in aquariums.
Fish bowl. A bowl-shaped aquarium containing fish is called a fish bowl. Fish food.
A food provided to the fish in the aquarium that generally contains macronutrients, trace elements, and vitamins.
Fish net. A mesh that is used to catch fish. Oxygen motor.
A motor that generates oxygen.
Turtle. It is an aquatic and land reptile. It has a hard shell. Turtles walk very slowly, but it can swim fast. Water plants. The plants which grow in the water partially or fully are water plants. You must have seen such plants in your aquarium. Fish house. In the aquarium, we keep some toy houses. These are generally for show purposes, but many times you can watch fishes resting in it. Guppy. It is a small and beautiful sweetwater fish breed. They are energetic and colorful too. Daphnia. Daphnia are minute freshwater creatures having a round body enclosed in a transparent shell. We use them as live food for fishes in our aquarium.